Right. Before we finish this, we need to furnish the room here, right? The house with furniture and toilet. So same thing with the one that you guys learned before, right? By using the two palettes, click two palettes, and then go to architecture. Right, there you are, architecturals, and look for the toilets. So make sure you use a metric samples. And there are toilets. Okay, need to move this a bit. Okay, and then select the middle line here. All right. Okay, turn off this. So this need to change into toilet layer. All right. So the toilet layer need to change into plan, right? So I'm going to choose round plan, yeah, and then change the position. Press F8. Okay, so this round toilet here, and then there is more. There is more. You can fit in more the space here, right? With a kitchen, with the living room. Okay, but before that, we need to create a gap. We need to draw a gap. So go to 0 line here, press L. So there is a gap for the toilet. And then from the inside to outside, also we'll have a gap, right? So the gap is could be about 150 or 50 mm gap. Same thing with this. Okay, so it's a gap. All right. The next task is to fill up the interior with the furnishing or furnitures, right? So in this case, I allow you guys to use a block or template, right? So the block template, actually you can get it from eLearn, right? There is a folder in the eLearn, all right? Let me get it for you. Okay, good. All right. So if you go to the eLearn, right, and then go under weekly lesson module, sorry, under menu here, then you will see AutoCAD block, right? Click the AutoCAD blocks, right? So there is two blocks that actually downloaded before, right, and uploaded for you guys. So there is actually lots of block here, right? Some of it can be used, some of it is in the metric, and some is in imperial. So you guys need to be careful. All right, let's say I'm going to use door and furniture commonly used for AutoCAD user here. So I'm going to click this and download the RAR file here. Right, you can see here. All right, so it's already downloaded. So click this. So we have this here. So what can I do from here, right? Just go inside the file here. So you will see the DWG file drawing here. What can you do is click the drawing here and click and drag into AutoCAD. Right, just drag into AutoCAD here. Drag into AutoCAD file. Right, and then it will ask you to specify or specify for SHX file, or ignore the missing SHX file. So this SHX file is actually a format file, right, that sometimes is not relevant with AutoCAD. So just ignore the missing, right? There you are. So these are all the templates that we can use for architectural interior design, right? So click anywhere. Do not change any scale. right? Do not change any factors, just press spacebar and press again. Do not change the angle, just press again, and that's it. Right, now we have the template in our drawing. Okay, so you must remember, actually this template is quite big, but then once we insert inside the drawing, now we are allowed to use the block inside the template. Right, so what can I do? You remember last time that we learned about the block, right? So just click the block here. Right? Click the block here, and then you can find all the block from the template appeared, right, in AutoCAD. Okay, so this one is all the window elevations, beds. Now just a compact living, right? Okay, so I'm click here, right, and then I'm gonna rotate this. All right, there you are, a master bedroom. Okay. And then there is a lot more here. Example like a chair and sofa. They even have a kitchen, right? Right, and a lot more. Okay, so I want you guys to fill up the interior with the furnitures from the template from the e-learn here. Or actually you can even go to the online or Google, right, and type in AutoCAD template. Okay, and then you will find that there's 1,000 of template in the online, right?